Sometimes, selecting just the right Father's Day gift can be quite a problem. But here comes a new and unique answer from Gillette. This complete, compact vacation travel kit. Handy new travel sizes of Gillette Good Grooming products, plus a space for toothbrush and paste. It contains Right Guard deodorant, one-piece Gillette razor, Gillette stainless steel blades, Sunup aftershave, and extra-rich foamy shaving cream to super saturate your beard, the whole shave through. The incomparable Gillette stainless blade has the world's sharpest, easiest shaving, long-lasting edges. Then Sunup aftershave feels better, smells better. Finally, Right Guard Power Spray Deodorant. 2 seconds gives you 24-hour protection. Get them all in the unique Gillette travel kits. There's nothing like them at the price. Perfect for Father's Day.